Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this universal dusting gel. Now when you unscrew the lid, it is sealed, so you got to open it up all the way to get to it. Alright, so this stuff works really good. Go in there and grab the whole thing out. It doesn't stick to your fingers, but I love for getting all the dust out of my truck. Alright, let's see how it's doing. You got to kind of press it a little bit. Yeah, it gets down in all the little crevices too. And again, it does not, I mean, your hands are just a little wet, but it doesn't stick to them. But I can really get a lot of these crevices clean. Let's get down in that little crevice right there. Yeah, kind of roll it back and forth like it's down in that one. Let's go up here. Oh yeah. I like that it gets down in that little crevice. That can be hard. See how the stuff sticks to it? Let's even clean some air vents. You know. Here's on some wood. Around some switches. Here's some air vents. And when you're done, put it back in there and you can reuse it now. Screw it down tight. Don't store it in the sun. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.